Oh, okay. Oh, okay, Papa. I'm sorry, Mito. Okay. Flash, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, when flash on. Oh, so it looked like it's gonna be one flash and one unflash, one flash and one unflash, right? And to we do the car, right? And to
That cut, yeah.
yeah, because this one is flash.
Yeah.
But then we're gonna go to off. We're gonna do to off, and it's gonna go here, and then that's gonna be
A long one.
off. Yeah. Oh, long. Yeah. Like this one. Like this. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's yours, or this one is yours?
This one.
Yeah. That one? Okay. Oh, okay.
That one's dead.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Lord. Okay. Could we put one right here, Papa? Papa.
Found the trick.
What is it, Papa? What is it, mijo? Oh.
Go ahead.
Oh, you found it?
Yep.
Like that? Oh, Jesus, yes. Yes. Oh my God. And also saving of the battery. Oh, Papa.
Ooh, gotta bring her over.
Yeah. What happened? You need to hit it from over there? Oh, the cut was, what was the cut? You want me to get the hammer? Where's the hammer? Is that a factory cut or no? Okay.
That one was.
Yeah, that one. That one was? Yeah. Where's the hammer?
Oh, at the end over there.
Huh? At the end? Oh, yes. This end, yes. Okay, mijo. No? It's not going? Yeah? We leave it as good enough? How could you go through closer? Was the cut crooked? Because this is factory and this is factory.
Oh no, this wasn't factory.
Oh,
That's
no.
just straight cut.
Oh, that's this one is factory.
Yeah.
Well, this one
They're
looks
both
straight.
cuts.
This one looks straight, but here, what happened, Pop? Maybe use that one because this one look more open than that one.
How about I...
And then it's really gonna go off. And what about over there? Be careful, Mijo. Be careful, Papa.
I gotta screw them.
Yeah. 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I want to do all that. Yes.
Fucking smoker.
There, Pop. Flash. What about over there?
A little bit short.
A little bit short? Yes. You want to cut a different one? Yeah, cut a different one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Cut a different one, yeah. It's okay. Put out a...
No, I'm gonna leave it a little longer.
Huh?
I'm gonna
Why?
leave it a tiny bit longer.
Yeah.
And then we can sand it down.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Even a quarter longer, right?
Yeah.
A quarter over, right? Yeah. Yeah. We got more. 48 and I'm hungry. Now this is the factory now. Let me see. ahead. Oh, Bob, it's not the cut. It's not the cut. It's the deck. I think it's the square. It's not the cut at all. Oh, but you say you left a quarter, so now you could even it up. You could clean this up a little bit, right?
Yeah, let me get my mark again.
Yeah.
Oh no, I got my board over here.
Yeah. And it's a yeah.
See how she looks.
No.
Oh, look.
Now it's more open. Did you cut the opposite side? Maybe. Oh, or maybe this one. Oh, perfect. Oh. So how we gonna do the rest? Because they're gonna. Oh no.
No, they shouldn't all do that.
No. Because even if it's over here, we're turning it over there, right? Yeah.
We'll see.
Let's pray. Oh, my machine is over there. Let me get it. Okay, Bob? Yeah. The machine. My machine. No tools. I don't see no tools over there. Okay, I'm back. Oh, you found the trick. My boy said he found the trick.
Where'd you screw?
Yeah, right? Put a screw in the middle, right? There, mijo. Yeah. Okay. Right here, right? The wife? Your wife, Pop?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, what does that mean? A message?
Yeah.
Notification?
Message.
Oh, message. Okay. Message. Okay. Yeah. And what do you say? No or yes?
I guess he has somebody in Jersey trying to buy it.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I gotta.
The thing is that they go for the best deal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna try. It's okay.
Tomorrow? Okay.
All I gotta do is actually call them. So.
Oh, okay.
Call them, give them all my things like that.
Oh, okay. I'm having a cookie.
Huh?
I'm having a cookie. Yes, Pop?
I'm good.
You don't want to accept nothing? Look, mijo. I just got it.
You know what?
What, mijo?
They've all been the same size at the ends.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna cut a bunch of the small ones real quick.
Yeah?
So I don't gotta keep going off.
Yeah.
Up and down.
But are you sure they all been the same size at the ends?
Yeah.
For real?
All of them been smaller than 50, so I just been making them all 50.
That's
That's how it's gonna be. A little wet.
Huh?
Yeah. I'll be sure to make them all 50.
450?
Well, those ones 12s, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're 12s? Our boards are 12s.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're gonna run into some 12s that don't match up.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
We're losing it.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we just continue one by one because from here we're gonna start messing up if we did that.
Yeah. Well, you know what? You wanted that flush, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so 12 flush. Reach here.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah. So how much are you giving over here? About a 1.5?
Yeah, we're trying to give at least a half of an inch.
So let's say I put 1 inch, okay?
Yeah.
Let me say right there, 1 inch.
Yeah, we're not reaching it.
Oh, you see that? No, we just go.
We're gonna have to go down to our.
Yeah. No, because then we're out of this. We're out of our line. We're out of that. Yeah. No.
Either way, we're gonna lose that line.
Are we?
What, yeah, watch. 12 foot. When we get over here. Flush.
Mm-hmm.
That's flush. And now if we take our inch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's why they would
It's
do.
not square.
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna have to jump into the next one. And then your 50 is not working.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to have to jump to that next one.
No.
I mean, our line could be a little bit staggered, but that kind of makes it even look worse.
Mm-hmm.
What if we did a center line? When we get to the point where we have to. So we'll go from this pattern to then having a line from around
To a
right
house.
here
Mm-hmm.
for the rest of it. Only way we could do it to where we keep our line
Mm-hmm.
is if we run it flush.
Yeah, that's what I told you. That's what I was telling you. Flush. Use flush. Or we could start it from here, flush.
Well, if we start flush from here,
So we don't lose it. And then we cut our little ones over here. Yeah. And then flush over here too.
no, we'll just keep our lines, keep running along, and then we'll just cut it flush later. Cut that flush later on. This way we don't.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to make it perfectly straight line. I was shocked how straight this one came
Mm-hmm.
when I cut it. You know.
Yeah.
So
But as
keep
long
the
as we don't,
factory cuts.
but as long as we don't have, you lose this one.
We'll stay on this one.
Yeah. And we don't lose that one either. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. All right. So what do we do? Flush?
Yeah.
Flush.
Maybe. See where the flush gets us. No, yeah, this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either way.
And then over there we have to cut and flush too. Yeah, we gotta cut and flush.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. You see that? What is that? Now that's a 12 right there?
Yeah, this is 12 up
Yeah.
to here.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, we cut the rest. Yeah.
But this.
Yeah. And then this one, how much is that? Yeah. And then this one, you see? How big? Oh, you see?
48 exactly.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah. That's when I measured it, it gave me 48. So we just keep it like that and make a flash. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, Bob. All right. Yeah. And so instead of the 50s, instead of a little over on that side, on the tiny ones, we just cut a flash. Right, Bob?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Bob. But we didn't even attach this one yet.
All right.
To make that 48 exactly. Yeah. Or maybe you was fine because you took it from here. Maybe you was fine. Ay, dada. Okay, well, it's okay. Two hits sometimes don't make one. You dada. Oh, you know, you're fine. It's me, Papa. It's you dada. Dada. Ay, dada. Oh, no. So maybe. Oh, do you really need to step over there, Papa, or you could work from here or no?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh okay. All right. Could you put one over here, Papa? This one is going like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You didn't go. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Big time. Okay, Amazon is like, you get what you get and don't get upset.
I'm gonna go to this one.
Yeah. You know, Bob? Amazon is like, you get what you get and don't get upset. You get what you get and don't get upset. Hold on. No, I already bought it and I took it back.
What?
The $100 one.
Did you?
Yeah, the one that has like a little knob. You know, you just go like that, and it stays, and you don't even have to grab it. You know?
Yep.
All right. Oh, I like it better when it goes up here, and the one in the house. Let me see.
You could always put it in right afterwards.
Yeah. Yeah? No.
We run the deck, and then
Oh.
come time to put
You-
it in.
you're gonna
just
cut
the
it?
hole with the
Yeah? Are you
oscillating
sure?
tool.
Yeah. Yeah?
And it's just a square.
You're gonna be cool?
Yeah.
You're gonna
So all
find
you
it?
gotta do is
Yeah.
put it on the deck.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, this one goes up here. Yeah, this one goes up here.
Take
So
it out.
yes. Yeah.
Cut
Yeah.
it right out.
Because those are numbered, okay, Pap? Are numbered those.
Okay.
The rails are numbered them, so we know exactly what we got here. Except are we missing one? I think we're missing. Are we missing one? I'm not sure.
Problem is,
Yeah. What?
did I put my block?
What?
Did I put my block where this is supposed to go?
What block?
This block.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because remember we had to pull this in.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is where it's supposed to go. Whoa. What
Oh,
is it?
oh, no, but maybe not too much fun because we could take it off after we already have it.
Yeah.
And it won't back go no more.
Yep.
It won't come back no more. So we're fine, right?
Yep.
So we're fine. We're fine up until we get here. We take this off.
No, not even.
No?
No, we can take it off afterwards.
Yeah. Or move it around.
Oh yeah, we could
Move it
take
around.
off.
Yeah.
Take it off. Fuck.
Yeah. 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 Now, the thing is, I'm thinking we're missing one more of this pub.
Oh?
No. Hold on. I'm thinking so.
No. The railing went right into the house.
Oh yeah, right into the house.
Railing right to the house.
No. Let me see.
Yeah.
You
see the brackets right there?
Yeah. What about the other one over here in the bottom?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Bang bang right to there.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
There's no pole.
Yeah, no problem. So there was no. Okay.
This one we'll just put on afterwards when we find our measurement for it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is it gonna be in the way? Let me move it a little bit, okay? Just so we're still in the same side, on the safe side, okay? Okay. Okay. I'm going up now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Picking up a few of these. I'll go up. They're gonna be already for us. They're over there ready for us. Already. Yeah. Yeah. Ready already for us. Ready already for us. All right, Kayla. Perfect half right here. Perfect half. Oh, yeah, I'm thirsty. I'm thinking, what do I need? I'm thirsty. Let me get my gallon. I gotta water over there. Yeah, I didn't have a sip of water all day, Papa. What is that? Mijo? Wait, mijo, so I could do the machine, okay? 1 second, okay? Let me just get my gallon of water over here. Yeah, Amazon, you cannot get much for your money. You get what you get and don't get upset. That's what they say. Yeah. Are you starting over here or over there, Papa?
Over there. By you.
Over there?
By you.
By me? Okay.
Good?
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, you could see it's very close over here. Hold on. I think I'm over here. No, I think I'll go over here. Yeah. Oh, put a screw on there. Mijo, put a screw right
you
there.
holding it's not gonna work?
Are you holding it? Okay, let's check. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, if it works, right? Oh, thank you, Papa. Yeah. Yes. Perfect, mijo. Perfect, mijo. Yeah. We'll go over there. Yeah?
Yeah, sure. Right here.
Yeah. Eh?
Right here.
Right here? Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, you don't. No, I mean you need a screw here. Okay?
Ready?
Yes. There you go. Yeah? What a big difference. Alright.
Ooh, I'm just gonna screw that real quick because this matched up perfect.
Really? Oh,
What is that?
that's my camera. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. Right there, Pop, or what do you think? It needs to be better. Oh yeah, he pushes it. Oh, my Papa, could you put a screw over here, mijito? Because you slip on me and hit my knee. Right here. Thank you, mijo. There, you see? Look at it. Look at it. It goes right in. Yes. Yeah.
Go 2 more over.
2 more, yes. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. There. Yeah. Yes.
3.
Yes.
3 over.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah.
You ever see them deck drills?
Huh?
You ever see them deck drills?
No. What are they like?
You stand up, use it.
Eh? Oh, oh yeah, yeah. The deck drills, yeah. I see them using it. Yeah. But then that's only if you're not tying it, if you're not making it tight like this, right? Yeah. If you put your separators and then you set it ready, and then all you gotta do is screw.
Yep.
Screw, right? Yeah. Yeah, not unlike this, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Could you put another one right here? Let me hit this. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Let me see. Hold on, because this is.
I'm just getting them ready.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm afraid it's gonna snap and hit me, you know.
Good.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Perfectly. Oh, okay. Yeah. You want me to stay here, mijo? I think so, right?
I think if you go here, you should be good.
Yeah? Well, just put it over there. It's okay. Okay. That's it. Okay, yes. Is that one right in the money, Pop?
What?
Yeah, this one? Oh, yes, a little big. Yeah,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So which is good because we're fine. Perfect. This one is perfect. Thank you, mijito.